Hello, my name is Kent Liston. Here's a media application that will assist teachers in various situations and scenarios that will allow students to use technology to learn their studies. In the middle school scenario, Mrs. C is trying to make her students understand habitat loss in local environments. By using technology, we can get students to understand a variety of global effects, all from the classroom. The resource I provided is going to allow students to understand multiple areas of content. The National Science Foundation is the best place to find these resources. Thanks to their very ingenious multimedia search engine, students are able to find areas such as Arctic, biology, computer, earth, environment, engineering, and mathematics all along the area that they chose.